Saturday. Good morning, scholars. I hope your day is going great. Mine is. I'm wearing my favorite hat and my favorite jacket, and I'm talking to you. All right, next week, guess what it is? Thanksgiving, Turkey Day, Turkey Day, Turkey Day. Ooh, 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 ooh. Excited. Remember, there's only 2 days of school next week, Monday and Tuesday, and then it's a wrap. So next week, we are wrapping up parent selections. On Tuesday, we will have a Ms. Owens classroom assessment. So be at school, because even if you're not, you know you're going to take my assessment. Yes, you are. So you're wondering, since we're having a short week, what would my homework be? Oh, I have something for you. It is your problem and solution persuasive essays. All right, so you have to come up with 3 problems. Actually, I've come up with them myself. You're going to choose between these 3 problems. Here's the first one. No one is turning in their homework on time at Kelso. You can choose this problem or this problem. Children are eating too much candy at Kelso and becoming obese. That means they're becoming fat. You can choose this problem, or you can choose this problem. There is too much bullying at Kelso. So there's 3 problems to choose from. You're going to choose one to write about. So we've been reviewing persuasive essays, how to distinguish between different types of persuasive essays, and we've also gone over organizational patterns. So this project is going to combine 2 skills that we've learned. You're going to learn how to use problem and solution, that organizational pattern, to write your essay, and you're also going to write a persuasive article. All right, so here's an example. This is the problem that I have. At Jessica Elementary School, that's the name of my school, they can't keep substitutes. For some reasons, the substitutes keep disappearing. They're just not staying. They don't want to stay at the school. So my solution is that we start hiring parents to substitute. Don't you think that's a good idea? And that's the basis of my argument, is that parents should be substitutes in school. So when you're writing your paper, remember, you're the author. So you're supposed to state your opinion first and then spend the rest of the article supporting your opinion you wrote in your first paragraph. So after I state my opinion, and my opinion is the solution to the problem, I'm going to spend paragraph 1, 2, and 3 backing up what I think should happen, the solution to the problem. So here's what I'm going to write in the first paragraph. In the first paragraph, I'm going to write about how scholars will start to behave better because their parents or their friends' parents are there and they're substituting. In the second paragraph, I'm going to write about how parents will have a better understanding of discipline problems at school, and therefore they'll make sure their child's discipline is better when they go to school. And in the third paragraph, I'm going to write there will be an increase in the child's attendance at school and parent participation. So this is why I'm persuading you that the best solution to the problem is to have parents become the substitutes, because then all these wonderful things will happen in school will be better. So in my last paragraph, that's the 5th paragraph, I'm going to conclude and I'm going to restate my original argument or solution. And you got to make sure that you don't forget to restate your original argument in the last paragraph, just like our test review that we went over. So I'm also going to post this information on my website under lesson plans, so you guys can see a clear-cut explanation of what I expect from you. And this is your homework tonight. So this is what you're going to do tonight. You have a general idea of what I want, homework. You're going to email me which problem you choose. Remember, we have problem 1, problem 2, and problem 3. Remember, go on my website, Ms.Owens.speakslife.com. Go click on contact, and you're going to email which one you want. And then after that, you're going to send your problem and your solution. Don't just email me which problem. Tell me what your solution is going to be to the problem. You're going to add your 3 opinions that will be backed up with your solution/argument. So remember, I gave my 3 things that I'm going to write about in my 3 different paragraphs. That's going to back up the solution or opinion that I have for my persuasive argument. So I should get a problem written down, 1 sentence is fine. Your solution written down, 1 sentence is fine. And your 3 opinions that are going to back up that solution. That's what I would like emailed to me. Now, on Monday, you need to bring your rough draft to school. That means your completed 5-page article, not 5-page, excuse me, 5-paragraph article to school on Monday. So I need to see 5 paragraphs. The first paragraph stating the problem and your solution. Remember, your solution is very much connected to your opinion for your persuasive article. The next 3 paragraphs are your 3 opinions that are going to back up your solution. And then your 5th paragraph is going to be your conclusion, where you're restating your problem, your solution, and you're saying why your solution is the absolute best, 100% best solution to the problem. All right, that's due on Monday. And then this weekend, I want your problem, your solution, and your 3 opinions already stated. And you just need to do a sentence for those, and that's your whole paper. Monday, I want the rough draft. All right, and just so you know, finally I did finish putting all the grades in for your progress report, so you will get those on Mondays. Parents, I expect you to sign those progress reports and get that back to me on Tuesday, and I'm excited about Thanksgiving. I will post a video on Wednesday or Tuesday night for homework for the rest of the week for next week. All right, have a great weekend. You're awesome, scholars.